Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Courier Management System. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. For Python, I am using the Python version 3.7, and Django version is 2, and the MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting MySQL with Python, I am using the PyMySQL. Even you can download MySQL connector from mysql.org website, and you can connect your Python Django with MySQL. Right. So these server side technologies and database I am using. This is a web application. So for front end development, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validation and date calendar plugin integrations. I have used the jQuery plugins. Right. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project courier management system. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is courier management system. Courier management system. It's a mini Python Django MySQL web-based mini project, mini DBMS project, right? DBMS because it contains the database operations which has been performed by the Python, right? Means all of the CRUD application, all of the query has been written inside the Python, and after that we are performing the create, read, update, and delete operations on the MySQL database, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, and there is nothing dynamic on this page, right? All things are static. This is about it's again a static page, right? There is nothing dynamic on this. This is a search tracking, right? It's a totally dynamic page, and if you enter your tracking number here and if you search the tracking, then you will get all of the tracking information which will be fetched from the database, right? MySQL database. So I am searching for the tracking number one. If you click on the search tracking, then you will get all of the tracking details which is available here. You can see the tracking details with date, right? So you can see tracking details is here, right? Okay, this is a search tracking, but for searching the tracking you must have a tracking number. This is a contact us. This is a static form. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So you can treat it as a static page. This is a login, right? This is a login page, and this is the dynamic page, and user can log inside the system using username and password, and without user id and password user can't log inside the system, right? So the user id is admin and password is test. So once you log inside the system, you will get the admin dashboard. So these operations admin can perform, right? So there are two main. This is the dashboard menus here, and these menus are also available here in the header bar, right? So let me go through one by one. Home page I already explained you. Dashboard I already explained you. This is the add codes, right? Here you will be able to add any number of couriers, means goods. It might be a parcel, it might be a letter, or it might be any type of document. See, so everything we are treating as a good, right? So you can add your goods here, right? So for adding goods, you need to put all of the information here. This is a good details. All of the goods which you have added will be displayed here, right? Means there are two couriers or pulses I have added. And details are here. So this is a tracking number. You can see this is a tracking number, right? So once you add the goods, then you will get the tracking number here, right? If you want to edit it, just click on the edit and update it, right? You can edit and update the record here. If you want to add the tracking of that goods, just click on the add tracking, just select the date and add the descriptions, right? It will add inside the tracking information, right? And if you search the tracking number from the front page, then you will get the tracking details here on that front page, right? Right. So this is the tracking details. So all of the tracking which you have added earlier will be displayed here. If you want to edit any of the tracking, just click on the edit, and after that you can edit the tracking details, right? Okay. So this is a save tracking. Once you save the tracking, then it will be updated into the database, right? This is a change password, from where you will be able to update your account password. Once you update your account password, then you will be able to log in your system with that updated password, right? Your old password will not work, right? This is a logout. So once you log out from the system, then all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to access the internal pages, right? And one more thing, this above header bar is totally session driven, right? It's rendering according to the session. If you log out, then you can see the drop down menu, sorry, the header menu is different, but if you log inside the system, the header menu is different, right? So it's a totally session driven header menu, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project courier management system, right? And it has been developed in Python, Django, and MySQL. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to the requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.